So as the given topic is about the establishment of nuclear power in India, I think it's very useful if we establish the nuclear power because it's the upcoming energy sources. Till now the existing powers have been lost. So we can just move on to that nuclear power so that we have enough of fuel and energy for the upcoming years. I mean for 2 to 3 decades or for centuries we can use the nuclear power if we establish a plant over here in India.
I don't think it is a very good source of power because there are many sources of power except in the nuclear power. We can generate power from many sources. I think it has many disadvantages than the advantages because there are recent blasts in the nuclear furnace and funding radiation. So I think it's a very disadvantage.
But by taking certain measures, we can eradicate that accident occurred in the nuclear plant. In India, the major share of the power sources are non-renewable sources, and most of them are not eco-friendly. So, this nuclear where we can generate power, renewable, eco-friendly. So, it's better for us. We can take the technology from we can get the help from other countries and we can build our own plant so that we are getting a more and more power grid and the power generation is decreasing day by day with the decrease of the fuels and resources. So this is a very good option for us.
If we talk about only power, we can get many sources from water and coal. As we have as out in the coastal area, we can get a water source. So we can. But while coming to the history, we talk about history. We know about the Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. The bomb this is mainly the reason of nuclear bomb. So why it is seriously happened? So why to encourage the nuclear establishment of nuclear reactors? Can we? I mean, we put a limit for this.
You mentioned about coal and water. Coal is a non-renewable source and it can't be renewable. And so I think nuclear power is very important to replace it. And you mentioned about coastal areas. Coastal areas have the facility to handle water. What about the mid cities?
Yeah, why can't they generate power can be supplied throughout the whole? No? Why can't we? There is a many sources. There is a source of coal. Why can't they get?
Coal is a non-renewable resource, so you cannot use that for decades and decades in the Indian history, right?
We have it.
After some time it will end. There will be end.
Water. What about the water? We have a supply of hydroelectricity.
Yeah, we have a supply, but it's not as efficient as nuclear power, right?
But there is also disadvantage of nuclear
Every coin has two sides, so we cannot take only the disadvantage.
You can have a disadvantage because there is an unemployment because of nuclear and the pollution. The main cause is pollution. As everybody
In nuclear power, there is no pollution. It's just some waste which can be disposed into the space or into the earth.
In nuclear reactor, there is a wastage.
Yeah, that's the waste.
In water, it becomes reverse. The waste of nuclear reactor going to the water and drinking in the village area, rural area.
If the disposing is good, we cannot. The waste won't come out, right? It's about the waste disposing of the material.
Somebody nuclear reactors, they can see about
We can change the system of nuclear reactor. Is there any power that can produce? Is there any energy sources that can produce power for the entire nation for single day? Your hydroelectricity does not provide the power for the entire nation. It's the only thing. Nuclear power is the only thing that can produce.
If we get our limitations controlled, but there are many disadvantages. If we seriously think, we can't say when the accident happens. Suppose if we think recently in our steel plant, in our Vizag, the cooling in the process of
Yeah,
the
you are both.
opposition of faith occurs. So immediately in that action we can't say when it happens.
You are going in a time, we don't know the bridge will fall down or fall down or not, right? We can't take it as a complete decision. Sometimes it will happen. For that we can't take the risk. We can't take the.
We can take certain measures for each and every case. By taking certain measures, we can build our own plant, and so we can supply power for the entire nation. Right now, power cuts are getting the duration of power cut is getting day by long and long.
See, for that, if we control our limitations, see, why can't we stay without AC? Why can't, if there is a fan, why can't we are using both AC and fan? Why can't we control our limitations so the power can be supplied throughout the world easily?
For the development of nation, power is an important essential tool.
I suppose for development, because media was the radiation of media for discussion about the not the development of the radiation. The space required to the nuclear reactor is very much more. So we process to get evacuated from the space. So I don't feel radiation has very large
For the build construction of a dam, even more places evacuated. If you compare dam and
You are pointing out mainly disadvantages. If we get more advantages, we should have to face some few disadvantages. That's why everything has two sides. It has disadvantages and advantages.
Not only about power, why can't we control our limitations? If we plant any tricks, we can get air. Why if we are using both fan and AC?
By planting this, we can't generate power.
Not power, air. If we want, for our sake of facility, we are using power and AC. Instead of why can't we place trees? Why can't we plant trees so that we can get the fresh air and the natural air?
Everyone can't live without the minimum necessity. Can you live? Okay, that's a debate. It's a very fine debate. About advantages and disadvantages, and that is very fine. So you please don't get personal into that. So thank you very much.